Hello, Matter 3. Today we have a fantastic session in Unit 2, Mapping the Desert. What I need you to do, just open your book page 16 and follow me. We're gonna learn some vocabulary related to the desert, the mountain, and something like that. I'm sure that you will like it, inshallah. Okay, let's start the first word, undergrowth. Undergrowth. Undergrowth, of course, is uncountable. Uncountable, this is very important. Undergrowth means bushes and small trees and other plants growing around and under bigger trees. For example, I think that there is a snake moving in the undergrowth. The undergrowth. The second word, clearing. What's the meaning of clearing? Clearing, a small area in a forest where there are no trees. For example, in the clearing, there is a small cottage where we can rest. Clearing, clearing. Foliage, foliage. Again, foliage is uncountable, which means we cannot say foliages. Right? Okay. So foliage means the leaves of a plant. Some trees have a lot of foliage because of the rain water. Foliage, foliage. Pass, pass. Pass is a high road or path that goes between mountains to the other side. For example, you can follow the narrow mountain pass that goes along the valley. Pass, pass. Range, range. A group of mountains or hills, usually in a line. This is a land of high mountain ranges and deep valleys. Range. Summit. Summit is the top or the peak of the mountain. For example, many people have now reached the summit of Mount Everest. Summit, summit. Dune, dune. A hill made of sand near the sea or in the desert. Yesterday, the wind formed new sand dunes. Dune, dune. Oasis. Again, oasis. And the plural of oasis, oases. Oases. Okay, what's the meaning of oasis? Oasis, a place with water and trees in a desert. For example, when we were thirsty, we decided to go to the oasis. Again, oasis. Sandstorm. Sandstorm. A storm in the desert in which sand is blown, for example, around by strong winds. Again, sandstorm is a storm in the desert in which sand is blown around by strong winds. For example, the strong winds had caused a sandstorm and we couldn't even read our maps. Sandstorm. Shore, shore. The area of sand, mud, or low land along the edge of the sea or a lake. For example, the fish is commonly found off the shores of Australia. Tide, tide. When the tide comes in, the sea covers the beach. Strong tides make swimming dangerous. Tide, tide. Wave, wave. A line of raised water that moves across the surface of the sea. For example, Dee watched the waves breaking on the shore. Wave. And now open your student book page 16 and let's answer this exercise together. Here we have 4 categories: jungle, mountain, desert, sea. Let's see these words will go where in each category. According to the jungle, we have three words: undergrowth, clearing, foliage. Mountain, mountain, pass, range, summit, summit. Desert, desert, dune, oasis, sandstorm. Sea, shore, tide, wave. Okay, again on page 16, pause the video, take your time to answer this exercise, and then we're gonna check the answers together. Let's check the answers. And now your homework. Workbook page 15, exercises 1 and 2.